The 3 words about you to yourself. Hi, and welcome to the Daily Self-Love Podcast. I'm your host CS Neha Bajaj, and in this episode, you are going to learn a very simple yet effective way to change the perception that you have about yourself. Let's do a simple exercise. Before starting with the exercise, I want you to quickly grab a pen and paper and safely place them near you. I hope you have got a pen and paper with you now. So just sit quietly for a minute, eyes closed, and make sure there is no disturbance nearby. Allow yourself to go deep within yourself and think about what words come to your mind when you see yourself from your own eyes. What do you think about yourself? Your physical appearance, your intelligence, the way you communicate with yourself? Think about it and be very honest with yourself when you are doing this exercise. You don't have to share anything with anyone else. It's just you communicating with you. So just relax, stop the little chatters going on in that head of yours, and honestly acknowledge the real way you talk about yourself to your own self. Take a minute, think about it. Now, slowly open your eyes and relax a bit. Take that pen and paper and write the 3 words that came to your mind during the exercise. Remember, you have to be honest with yourself, no cheating. Just write the 3 words that frequently came to your mind on consciously thinking about yourself, or rather about your perception of yourself, how you see yourself. I hope you have written down the words now. Just scan through the words. Just go through them once again. This is how you talk to yourself about yourself. This is how you treat yourself. This is how you feel about yourself. Now, just check for a second. See the words. Are all the 3 words you have written here are positive or negative or neutral? If they are all positive, I would say congratulations, you are on the right path. Keep going ahead and stay inspired. But then in any case, if even one of the words is a negative or a neutral one, then remember this. You are the designer of your destiny. You are the author of your story. These are the words of Lisa Nichols, and I shared this with you because I want you to feel the power of this message of hers. You design your destiny the way you write your story. Now, writing a story is again in your hands. All you have to check is if you are writing it the way you want your story to unfold, or is it someone else working on your storyboard? Who is writing this story for you? You or someone else? So, once again, sit in a calm, peaceful environment for a minute and think of the 3 words. And this time, the 3 positive words only. What are the 3 positive qualities that you have? The 3 most perfect things that you think that you are capable of handling. It has to be a positive thing. Make sure of it. The 3 positive words that inspire you to be yourself. The 3 positive words that instill the confidence within you to work on writing your own story and creating your dream life. Only 3 words. Now, write this down on a paper, and for the rest of the day, consciously remind yourself of these 3 words. Keep this paper in front of you and make sure you read these words as much as you can. And what will it do? Well, it will for sure help you shift your energy from the negative perception that you have about yourself and would consciously focus on creating a positive perception about you. Repeat this exercise twice a day, once in the morning when you wake up and then before going to sleep, and repeat this without fail for the next 21 days. The result? Well, you are consciously shifting yourself towards focusing on positivity in your own life within yourself. Commit yourself to new learnings on self-improvement, and in case you want any accountability partner to help you execute these small little changes in your life, connect with me and I'll be more than happy to help you. Do share your feedback for this episode, and if you think someone in your network needs to hear this out, feel free to share the same with them and encourage them to introduce these healthy changes in their life too. Do subscribe to the podcast. I'm signing off for now. Stay tuned for the next episode and stay self-loved. Thank you.